Hey everyone, welcome back to Willson Mphoka's Learning Hub. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful educational content. Have you ever wondered why you look like your parents? Or why some traits, like eye color, seem to skip a generation? Well, it's all thanks to genetics. And today, we're breaking it all down, from genes and alleles to Punnett squares, and even genetic mutations. So, stick around because this is going to be fascinating. Let's start with the basics. Genetics is the study of how traits are passed from parents to offspring. And at the heart of genetics are genes, tiny segments of DNA that act as instructions for building proteins, which determine our traits. Each gene has alleles, different versions of the same gene. Some alleles are dominant, meaning they always show up if present, while others are recessive, meaning they only appear if no dominant allele is present. For example, let's take eye color. The allele for brown eyes, B, is dominant, while the allele for blue eyes, B, is recessive. That means if you inherit BB or BB, you'll have brown eyes. But if you inherit BB, you'll have blue eyes. Here's a fun question. Can two brown-eyed parents have a blue-eyed child? Stick around. I'll reveal the answer later. Now, how do we predict the traits of offspring? That's where the Punnett square comes in. It's a simple tool that helps us visualize the possible genetic combinations. Example cross. Parent 1, BB brown eyes. Parent 2, BB blue eyes. Possible offspring, BB brown eyes. 50% BB blue eyes. 50% pretty cool, right? This is exactly how scientists predict genetic inheritance. Now, let's talk about sex determination. Our biological sex is determined by sex chromosomes. If you inherit XX, you're female. If you inherit XY, you're male. But genes on these chromosomes can also determine traits, like color blindness, which is more common in males because it's carried on the X chromosome. Another fascinating genetic trait is blood type, which follows a special inheritance pattern called codominance. Here's how it works. IA and IB are codominant, meaning both can be expressed. OI is recessive, meaning you need two copies to have type O blood. Fun fact, people with type O are universal donors. People with type AB are universal recipients. Genetic inheritance isn't always straightforward. That's where pedigree charts come in. These are like family trees that help track traits through generations. 3 common inheritance patterns. 1. Autosomal dominant. Affected individuals appear in every generation, e.g., Huntington's disease. 2. Autosomal recessive. May skip generations, e.g., cystic fibrosis. 3. X-linked recessive. More common in males, e.g., hemophilia. By studying pedigrees, scientists can predict genetic disorders and even guide genetic counseling. Sometimes, changes in DNA, called mutations, can lead to new traits or even genetic disorders. There are 2 main types. 1. Chromosomal mutations. Large changes in chromosome structure, e.g., Down syndrome. 2. Gene mutations. Small changes in DNA sequences, e.g., sickle cell anemia, Tay-Sachs disease. Real-world example. Scientists are now using CRISPR gene editing to fix genetic mutations and even cure diseases. So, now you know why you look the way you do. Genetics is everywhere, from your eye color to your blood type. And remember that question from earlier? Can two brown-eyed parents have a blue-eyed child? The answer is yes. If both parents carry the recessive blue-eye allele, BB, there's a 25% chance of having a blue-eyed child. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more exciting science content. And before you go, drop a comment below and tell me what's your blood type. Let's see how diverse our audience is.